Well, good morning, guys. I'm pretty happy to be going to the trade show booth here for Digital Science 2023, which is part of the guy. And we're going to be talking about a few of the integrations that we're doing here at the Press News World. I also want to show you around Las Vegas a little bit, okay? Because you've never seen some of this stuff. So there's so much footage to show you. So in Las Vegas, all of the hotels have digital signage. We're not talking like small digital signage. We're talking, like wow factor kind of installs. And this is becoming the norm, where a lot of video walls. Remember we're playing with the LED panels? This is showing what the LED panels look like when they're fully installed in a building. Got it? Cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means the building can change the ambiance to reflect, in this case, the season. That gives you an idea what some of the casinos look like using digital signage. So we'll stop this video. I'm just going to keep giving you live examples. You're going to be doing live recording here pretty much nonstop through the event, because it makes what you do so much more real when you get to see how much it's used in society, right? You're doing the portrait menus. Now you get to see what it looks like live. Cool? See the one over there too? These are all digital signs. This is just one hotel. It's non-stop. I could give footage every single hour for the next 5 years. I would not even close to being done just showing off Las Vegas. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I hope this expands your mind a little bit insofar as the value of what we do of being a network operations center for remote controlling digital signs live. Okay, so my piece. I'm going to head out this casino and head over to the actual event itself. Okay?
Yeah.
Cheers.